Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. Today I'm going to be doing a bass module speaker removal and installation. These things usually fail with a blown speaker. They either sound horrible or they end up not having any output at all. So today I'm going to show you how to go about removing it, where it's located, the tools, and maybe a little bit of troubleshooting too. Some of the codes that you may get in your DTC. So let's get started. Before you do any repairs, replacement, or even take the module out, check the fuse. Make sure that the fuse is good. If the fuse is bad, change it. My concern would be, why is the fuse bad? Is there or were there other components on that circuit that may have caused it to blow? So keep in mind for that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the panel in the trunk that has the safety symbol on it, exposing the module that we're interested in today. And so I'm going to use an 8mm socket, and there are 3 bolts. So going in for a closer look, the first bolt is right there. Second bolt is off in there, but Mercedes was kind enough not to bolt it in. So that brings us down to the bolt down below. And then there's an electrical connection right here that we're going to have to depress and disconnect as well. Now we're going to zoom in for the electrical right here. Disconnect it just like that. So this is the module outside of the vehicle, and you can zoom in right there and you can see the part number A as an alpha 16482022202. It goes on a 7969-alpha alpha. Harman Kardon, right? Kind of weighty. Mercedes will tell you there are no replaceable parts in here, but you can see that you can remove and replace the speaker using these hex screws right there. 4 of those. Looks to be like a T25 or so, or T30. And so that's for the speaker. We can remove this and replace the speaker if this speaker was blown. And a blown speaker sounds muffled and distorted, and you know it when you hear it. As far as the rest of the module goes, it's all sealed. And what that simply means is they don't want you going inside here. But from the weight of it, this module, this whole component, has an amplifier built in, okay? Sometimes the amplifiers die. And in an upcoming video, I'm going to be taking this whole thing apart, showing you the inside, showing you the components that fail when they do fail. But for the best thing, the easiest way to fix this is, if it's blown, is to replace this one piece. So you can find them on the auction sites. You can find them in junkyards, and they rarely go bad. So if you're able to find one in a junkyard, I suggest you do. 2 bolts here. There's a third option connection point for a bolt. Don't normally put that on. Once you have the first 2 on, this one just keeps it vertical so as to minimize how much panels you have to remove. Ladies and gentlemen, reinstallation is the reverse. We're going to start by connecting the electrical connection. Then we're going to place the module back onto the three posts, one up in the top right, one at the base, and one at the top left. Once those are in place, we'll then put the two nuts on the top left and bottom left post. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.